I'm Dr. Austin. Ridgewood Dental has always followed strict protocols to ensure the safety of our patients and our staff. I want to inform you of some of the new protocols which we have invested in, which go beyond the recommendations of the CDC, OSHA, and the American Dental Association. Upon your arrival to our office, you will comfortably stay in your cars and alert us by phone call or text. When your clean, disinfected room is ready, you will be alerted and directly escorted into your private treatment room. In your private treatment room, you will have an additional verbal questionnaire screening for past or present COVID-19 symptoms, and a non-contact infrared thermometer will be used to check your temperature. Patients will rinse with a preoperative rinse, which has shown to potentially reduce bacterial, fungal, and viral loads in the mouth. We are going to offer our patients a rapid antibody blood test for COVID-19, which has over a 97% accuracy rate, showing past exposure to coronavirus. It is not diagnostic for current infections. In each treatment room, we have added a privacy door. These rooms will have a Medify air purification unit, which has 4 levels of air purification. The high efficiency of these units gives us the ability to change over the treatment room air up to 20 times per hour. For procedures that may produce aerosols, in addition to our traditional high-speed intraoral suction, we have invested in additional extraoral suction units. These units have HEPA filters which safely capture microbes such as viruses and other contaminants within biological aerosols. The friendly faces that are under these barriers are the ones you've always known to trust. We look forward to seeing you, our patients who are family to us. There is nothing that we will not do to ensure your safety in our office.
Hi, I'm Lucille Diamond, and I look forward to welcoming you at the front desk at West Ridgewood Dental. Some of you are my actual family. Many more of you I consider friends, but you're all part of our West Ridgewood Dental family, and you can rest assured that we are going to protect you and yours as dearly as we protect ourselves and our families when you return to the practice.